What's the deal? How y'all feeling? Everybody doing good? Welcome in. Welcome. W's in the chat. Good to see W's. Good to see the high energy here today. It is a new day. It is time to go. I'm ready to roll. It's what time is it? 6:57 a.m. Perfect. Let me just send this Zoom link out, and we're ready to roll. One moment here. All right, Zoom link has been sent. We're good to go. How y'all feeling? Everybody doing good? What do we got here today? What up, Z Gamers in the house? What up, Z Gamer? Louis G. What up, Henry? What's up, Classic Trader? Good to see you, bro. Dennis Hood is here. Dennis Hood is active, and then he locks in. He just locks in from the morning on. What up, Grid? What up, Level Up? What's good, everybody? Storm Players in the house. What's up, Ewan? Ewan's been here a long time too, man. Long time. Yeah, I think we got is Shiro here today? I think Shiro said he was yeah, Shiro, we're giving Shiro a little bit of a rest. But the other mods are here to back him up here. So, what up, AB Mike? What's up, everybody? Good morning. Just want to set one more thing up here, and we're gonna roll. All right, cool. Hey, if you guys aren't in our free Discord, you can join our free Discord. And as you guys settle in here, if you can give the stream a like, that'd be awesome. But welcome in, settle down, relax. It's gonna be a good session here. It is it's Wednesday, right? So we're halfway through the week. We're going to talk about it, right? We're going to talk about some things here today, and hopefully you're inspired and impacted, and it takes you to new levels in your life and in your trading here. So don't forget to record. Thank you very much. Recording is going. Perfect. Awesome. So let's go ahead and let's dive into the day here. What's up, Cat Studios? And let's see what we got going on, right? So it is Wednesday, the 25th of October. Oh, hold on one sec. My bad. So it is the 25th here of October, and we are cruising along, right? Coming to the tail end of this month here, and you know, we'll see what we got going on. Let's see what we got going on in the charts. I mean, in the news here today. So a lot of red folders here on the CAD. Nothing much really in store for us today. A little bit later on in the session, but you know, that's 10:30. So we're pretty clear, gang. Pretty clean all day today. Got no news at 8:30 here. Nothing standing in the way of NY Open. Nothing standing in the way of the 4-hour open. So yeah, looks good. Looks good. What up, Joseph? Good morning, bro. What's good, options? We got options in the house. All right, cool. So let's take a look at the charts here. Let's see what we got going on. Being that we're creeping towards the end of the month, let's go ahead and start there and take a look at what we got going on here. So taking a look at the monthly time frame, as you guys know, these are all-time highs. I say it all the time, right? But repetition is key. We are currently trading back in the box here. Wow. So back in the box we go. We have a very strong rejection level here. As you can see, price has attempted to break these all-time highs 3 times at this point. All 3 times were failures. They all rejected, as you can see there. But now this troublemaker, this guy's coming back up to start some problems here. So we're going to see, right? We're going to see what gold wants to do. We got 6 days left in this monthly candle. Absolutely engulfing everything now and really trying to make its way up and I guess attempt to close above this level of resistance here. And that would be very interesting, right? If you get a bullish candle closure above all that resistance, the next candle may break those all-time highs, right? And start to move up. So very, very interesting point in life. What a time to be trading here, especially gold. So we'll keep an eye on these all-time highs, see what's going on. Let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly as well, like weekly did close above all this range here, right? So you had a bunch of range here. Weekly candle did close above, therefore you should have clean traffic now, moving up towards this next level of resistance. Now price can go one of 2 ways, right, gang? It could either go up, right, and it can go up and flip and fill this range here, or it can go down, right? And if it goes down, then what happens here is you have a weekly fake out, right? And price looks something like this for now price to continue down over the next week or two, right? So that's potentially the two moves that gold can make here. We have 2 days and 10 hours left in this candle. We'll see where we're at in 2 days and 10 hours, but as of right now, we are still bearish, right? We did close bullish. We're looking to pump up and fill this wick, retest that support, but this is a big candle right here, big weekly candle on gold, especially to give us some sort of direction. Now, here's where the game starts, right? So the monthly is good to know, the weekly is very good to understand, and but once you get down to the daily, this is where we play ball, right? This is where we're going to see on where we're going to take our approach for the day. So the daily candle did close bearish again, right? So we never did close bullish yesterday. Candle did close bear. So that's interesting, because one thing I've been noticing is when you get a good support, right? Or let's say you get a good resistance in our case. So a lot of traders are anticipating the big, huge candle next, right? Off of the current resistance. But it's really interesting because one thing I've been noticing lately is that the big move tends to happen the following day, right? So all traders expect the big move to happen off of that resistance, right? So they're very antsy in that trading day. They're very we got to get trades in for that trading day, kind of like yesterday where we didn't take any trades, right? We didn't take any trades yesterday. But what I've noticed is that the following day, which is the one we're looking at, the current daily candle, typically is the big boy, right? Whether it's going up today or down, right? So we're going to build out a case for both, but I do expect volume coming in here today, and we should see a pretty nice move. So let's go ahead. We did close bearish. Let's keep in mind we did create support, resistance. We also did somewhat of a fake out, right? So not only did we create resistance, but we did a fake out, so kind of like a fake out / onion there. So if we break these lows, there's obviously a wick to fill here. If we do creep back up today and close above or close bullish, then tomorrow you may see a wick fill moving up to like 2,000 here. So let's go build a case out here. Let's see how we can find buys and sells. Let's go down to the 4 hour, see what we got going on here. So a lot of choppiness, right? Not gonna lie, a lot of just nonsense going on here. 4 hour time frame is just in a bit of a range, right? So if we look at the 4 hour time frame, you can tell that we are in this range here, right? And this is the range that we're currently just chopping around in, just trying to make a decision on where price should go next. So very, very choppy here. Looks like a choppy, not a bad London session though, right? You got that resistance and a move down. So actually that's not too bad, but overall pretty choppy range here currently. So let's go ahead, identify this range on the 1 hour time frame. So looks like you have a support here, right? So it looks like there was a fake out that happened overnight for me during London, but we would have never gotten faked out here, chat. Why? How come we would have never got caught in this fake out? Right? No bottom wick on this candle. So we wouldn't have taken this trade anyway, but a lot of other traders did, right? So they see a very strong bearish candle and they go ahead and enter sells on the opening of the following candle, and there goes the fake out. So not us though, right? We're already well equipped. We already have a good hand on what price says and what candles say by the openings and the closings and all that good stuff. So we wouldn't have gotten faked out there, but there is now a new support, right? And this new support is right here at 1969.500. Now, if we look below this support here, we have a nice clean candle all the way down to 1963 plus wicks, right? Wicks coming into this range here at right around 1961, right? So let's measure this range out here. So this is about a 70 pip range. So is that a good trading range? I think so, right? I think that this is a nice clean trading range for us to take advantage of price moving down today if we want to move down. And if we do want to move down, I believe that price will close below that range and leave us some sort of a trail to follow, and then we can go ahead and after getting a top wick, we can look to take ourselves on the move down here. So that is the cleanest range here as of right now for gold, and that's what I'm gonna be looking for. So if we could take advantage of that range right there, that's gonna be perfect here today, especially if we can get a closure around NY open, somewhere around that time, right? So that's kind of the range I'm looking to trade in here. And then if we're looking for buys, let's see, because we don't want to leave the buys out the game, right? Because there has been some serious action. So looking for buys here today, just a bunch of chop, right? Just a bunch of choppiness. Maybe range 2 buys. It would have to be range 2 though. Yeah, excuse me. It would have to be range 2 buys above. Yeah, it's not even the greatest range either, right? Like 26, 35 pip range. I don't know, man. That doesn't look fun to me, right? On the way up. So I don't know about buys here today. Possible range 2 buys above 1973. I'm going to be pretty bearish here, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at what this high is and see what that looks like on the 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, we get a closure above there. It's just boom, 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 right? Resistance all the way up. If you guys want to know where the real buys are, they're going to be above 1982 here, right? That's going to be the cleanest range. But maybe, just maybe, we'll look for some sort of, I don't know, maybe range 2 buys above here. All right. So that's going to be the day here for me. We have to take into consideration this new support as well on the 30-minute time frame here. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at for gold. But man, I don't like these buys at all. So I don't know, man. I think I'm going to look for possibly more of a push up and then a resistance formed. Right, some sort of resist. If we keep going up, I'm just going to keep waiting for a resistance today. Yeah, unless we really skate up above 1982 with a monster move, which I don't see happening here, then yeah, that's probably going to be it, man. So I'll probably just be looking for, you know, resistance to be formed. And hey, if price wants to drive up all day long, it is what it is, right? So that's what I'm going to be looking for here. I could definitely see some sort of resistance being formed somewhere in this range here, right? If we don't have it here just yet, then I think that we can possibly get it, you know, somewhere up at like 76 up there. So that's going to be the day, gang. That's going to be the day here for me. So fake out for sells or, you know, some type of resistance up here. If not, we'll take clean sells below 30-minute support, which is right here at 1968. Yeah, and again, we may get our sells higher than this, right? We don't have to necessarily wait for this, because if we get some sort of move up and then a fake out here, we can take our sells coming back, you know, down on these next candles here. So, you know, and then below that you have more range, right? So you can keep driving then. Oh my God, zoom, zoom, zoom. Yeah, I don't know. Candles are tweaking. Y'all know what I mean. But that's gonna be the day, man. Pretty much chilling, waiting for price action. It's not gonna be one of those days where we're just jumping, firing off into positions. But I think the move down is very clean, right? From 76, you had a nice clean move down, nice clean move down. Tapped into 76, nice clean move down. Obviously here we moved down. Same thing here. So I like the move from 76 if that's presented to us here today. So yeah, that's gonna be the day. I'm gonna mark these off and that's it. Chilling. Let's clone it. Let's bring it down. And we got a lot of range here on gold for our sells today. So don't be so antsy, right? There's a lot of range to drive down here today. Clean candles, right? Clean moves down. So there's just a few ranges here. And we just have to understand what range are we in and where are we in that range, right? And if we can just show you the ranges right here. Very, very simple. You have... Well, really, we can start all the way up here, right? Let me show you guys the ranges right now on gold. And gold loves to trade in ranges. Trust me. So you've got the white range here, right? You've got the red range here. Oh, hold on. Red range, and all these ranges could be different sizes, and right, this is going to be the yellow range, which is the range that we're currently sitting in. This is going to be the pink range here today. This is going to be the orange range here, right? So there's a lot of ranges to trade in today. But again, we have to know what range we're in and where we are in that range, because if we're closing bearish, right? Let's say we're looking for sells in the purple range, but let's say a candle drives down like this. Can we take these sells in the purple range? Yay or nay? Yay or nay? And if yes, why? And if no, why? No? Nay? 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 Nope. How come? How come we can't take sells right here? Beautiful bullet bearish candle, man. We've been waiting for that all day. We've been sitting here waiting for hours. No range left. Yeah, there you go. Yup. Almost at support. Yup. Very close to support. So again, that's why you really need to understand where you are and what the ranges are that are being presented to you on that given day. And then understand when candles do close, where are you in the range, right? Where are you in the range? So right here, we basically close at the bottom of the range. So this is all we really have, right? Before we can run into some sort of a holdup. Now, same candle can close, but close just a little bit lower, right? And at times, this is a trade you can take, right? Because we're closing at the top of the range. Now, what you'll see a lot of times is you'll see more so something like this, though, right? Before that trade is taken, you'll see something like this. And now you can go ahead and take that trade because we're at the top of the range. We've also created support, and you've got our celery play, right? So these are things to be aware of. Where you are in the range, what range you're currently trading in, and understanding how much of the range is left, right? Again, we could have been waiting all session for this closure right here. We closed 5 pips from a major support. Can't take the trade, right? You got to wait for a pullback. So always keep in mind where we're at, right? When we're closing and all that good stuff. Now, if you close right here, can we take this trade right here? Yay or nay? Yay or nay? Purple range good? On a bearish day? Yeah. Yep. So now we could take the trade. So again, always understand where you are on these ranges, how candles close, and just little minor things to pay attention to that'll help you in your trading on whether or not you know, hey, is this a good opportunity for me, or should I be waiting? Right? So these are the things that you can take into consideration. But these are the ranges here today, gang. These are the ranges. So like I said, red range, literally chalked. Yellow and red range on the way up is trash. Now, if we can get into the white gray range up here, that'd be awesome, right? But from yellow and red, those are my pips. Any move up is not my move. That's going to be another trader's move, not mine. But if we do start heading down, right, then I'll be looking to trade in the yellow, the purple, and the orange range here today. So that's it. That's it. Any questions? Cool. Gucci. All right. Perfect. Lovely. So that's going to be gold here today. We'll see if we can get a fake out. But, you know, again, this is pretty much going back to ranges, not to confuse y'all too much. But now this is going to be basically a no trade range for buys. But this right here, definitely a no trade range. I'm only open to taking sells in this area here. But the best sells are going to be below 68. And what is it? 68 and 60 here today. Yeah, that's all clean. All clean, clean. And again, this is clean too for sells, and this clean for buys. So that's going to be it. That's going to be basically the trading zones here today. Stick around. Stay in the green zone. Stay in the green zones. All right, cool. So let's take a look at pound yen here, and then we'll kind of settle down and settle in and chill out. So let's take a look at the monthly, because we are on the monthly time frame here as well. So closing up here, and again 6 days. So monthly time frame has over the past week or so just kind of been moving back and forth, right? Bullish, bearish. We had this very early move down. A lot of this was created by the news on the pound here as well. And, you know, you've seen an aggressive push. Price pushed all the way back up. One thing we can say, though, is that we did close below support. So we should remain below there. If we do close back above, we can switch our bias for next month and look for the move up. So as you can see, like I said, the monthly's just been flipping bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. And what that's going to give you is that's going to give you a range, right? That's going to give you some consolidation. So we've got some consolidation here on the weekly time frame, just candles trying to make a decision, trying to find their foot, and seeing where they want to go. Overall, we closed bullish, but you know, in the range. So not that good of a closure here. Now we'll see if this candle here wants to close outside of the range. So we've got 2 days left on this weekly candle. This would make total sense, right? And then that way next month we can continue our voyage down, right, on pound yen. So we'll see if that happens, but let's play ball here on the daily time frame. So daily time frame did give us a bearish close back in the range here, so we did kind of move down a bit. Yeah, I think we're just in a range, man. So we are pretty bearish. Let's see if we can break these lows here, and let's go see what these wicks represent on the lower time frames here. So I think you have some major supports, which are those wicks on the daily. You also have another support here. 1 hour time frame looks pretty, yeah, I think we need some sort of a pullback here. So if you can get a pullback on the 1 hour time frame, right, you've created a support. This is the range that you left. There's another resistance here, and this is kind of where we're at. So below here is okay, but what would be nice is a pullback coming back up to 182, 125, creating some sort of resistance, and then we continue down. So that's what I'm going to be looking for, some sort of retracement here on pound yen for, you know, sells to keep moving down. So not much price action here on GJ. It looks like London session had some nice moves. If you caught the move in London, that was the move. Right now things will probably die out a bit, and we'll try and find some new market structure. So yeah, man, that's gonna be the day. Give GJ some time. Probably gonna see a move up here on pound yen for a little bit, and then that's when we'll kind of poke our eyes back on this pair and see if we can get resistance for him. So that's it, man. That's it. 30-minute close, very weak here on gold. We broke the highs here, so let's see. Do we want to pump back up here and then look to come back down up here at 76 like we talked about, or are we looking to get a closure below 68 here? So patience, my friends, patience. How can we trade fake outs? You missed a trade last night. So this is what I would have done, right? So if you're looking for fake outs, or if you're looking to trade the fake out, well, here was the support, right? So this was the fake out right here. You had a candle close right back in the range. This gave us a fake out, and then we closed bullish, right? So if we close bullish, and now if we look left, there's a resistance that we formed. Price is going to want to retest that resistance. So what you can do is you wait for this candle to close, wait for the next one to open, give you a little bit of a bottom wick, which it did, and then you can take your buys, and you want to aim to retest that high, right? So price moved up, closed bullish. I don't know exactly what we did here, but we ended up tapping into that resistance level, and that was your trade. That was it. That was a simple trade just like this. So boom. All right. Right there. That was your trade. So you could have used current candle stops, right? Especially after the fake out, current candle stops. So yeah, you could have like a, oh, it was still pretty, damn. Oh, wow. Yeah, that was the move, right? It looks like it tapped in, so it would have tapped target for you, and yeah, that's how you could trade the fake out. London, yeah, London's been getting some opportunities. Would I have a sell stop around 1971? No. No, I see what you see. But I think we can move up a bit here and tap into 76 and then get our resistance up there. So with 71, you know, there's an okay opportunity, but I think there's going to be a better opportunity for us here. And I think that better opportunity, Jimmy Lambo, is going to be if we can move up on this candle and do something like this and then form the resistance up here instead of taking it off of this very weak, frail, you know, unsure closure, and we get a stronger closure like this during high volume time around NY Open, I would be much more comfortable with this opportunity right here to come on down and retest this low, right? Or this low here. Or if we don't get that, we wait and we get the closure. And then I think this is these two opportunities are going to be better than sell stops right now at 71 here. Does that make sense? Thanks for explaining. Got you. I was trapped in that fake out. That's okay. At least you're here on the stream to hear these things that we're saying, right? So, but you know, what you guys are doing by coming to the stream is putting yourself in position to win, right? Because these are things that maybe you're not going to really fully understand. And hey, I wouldn't have fully understand them either if I didn't have someone explaining them day in and day out to me. So just showing up to the stream, it's okay. You make mistakes, you show up to the class, and then you begin to learn and ask those questions to maybe improve on what could I have done better, you know, how could I have approached that a little bit differently. So nothing wrong with making mistakes, gang. Nothing wrong with being caught up in fake outs. We've all done it. Even your famous Instagram guru traders, even though they never told you or never showed you, trust me, they've been in fake outs, and they will continue to be in fake outs, right? And so will we, right? So will we. We've created an edge and done, you know, things that we can use to avoid those fake outs, but you're never going to avoid every fake out in the market, right? So as long as you're learning, as long as you're growing and, you know, seeing how you can improve, then that's really all that matters. Hey, yo. AJ, thanks for the dono, my man. If the daily bias is bearish and breaks range 2 for buys and goes up 50 pips, and if it forms resistance, are sells valid if we should wait for support again for buys? Yeah, so you're asking if we get a range 2 buy and it goes 50 pips and then it forms a resistance. Yes. So I think so, especially on a day like this, AJ, and that's actually a really good question, right? Especially on a day like this where we've got a lot of just junk, right? This is all junk. I want you guys to look at all the peaks here, all the resistances here, right? So, and then where are they now? Now they're nowhere to be found, right? So this is going to be a clean range here. So unless we actually break above here and close above, then I wouldn't trust those buys, right? So even if they are range 2, I still want to see that if we're closing anywhere below 82 here, which is right here, then I'm still looking for resistance here today for price to go down. Even if we're like, so let's say we move up, right? We move up, we create resistance like we're talking about for the range 2s or whatever. I'm still not going to buy into it. I'm going to take sells still, right? I'm going to wait for that resistance to form, and then I'm going to take my sells coming down, right? Because that's what I could see happening today. Unless we actually get a closure above there, then the buys today are, yeah, not the hottest at all, man. Not the hottest at all. Yeah, what would be really nice would be some price action to form like this, right? So if you get these buys and, you know, whatever, price just comes up and, you know, moves up, and we're still not taking buys, but then all of a sudden we create this resistance, or let's say we create, hold on. Yeah, let's say we create a resistance now, right? Come back down here. And then you get the buy. I think the range 2 buys are only valid above 82 here today, right? Because if you can form a resistance and then a bullish move back like this, now what you've done is you've created a support here and you've closed above 82. So that's the only point in which I would want to take my buys here. That's it. Yeah, other than that, I don't want to do it, because on any one of these candles, you can start turning around and creating resistance, right? On any one of these bullish candles here. So therefore, I wouldn't even budge on it, right? Just although price can move up, this is where resistance can be formed at any time, right? So I don't want to take these buys at all, not at all. If we get a support formed, then yes. Then that's when I would, and a closure above 82, then yes. But up until then, nothing. Yeah, something like this. And then a nice close above. Nice healthy close above, and then that's when I'll take the buys. Now, if we don't get that support, then it's going to be tough, right? But we'll see, because again, this candle right here, any one of these candles could be that candle. So therefore, I wouldn't take any like range. I wouldn't take the sells, you know, necessarily unless we get this closure and break that low there. Yeah, that's the low we need to break. How am I today? I'm great. Doing great. Why don't you scalp the lower time frame? Because I found that the lower time frames is just less. They're not that high of confirmation. A lot of it's talking about fake outs. There's just a lot of fake outs down there. Yeah, Papa Pal speaking today at 4:30. 4:30. Yeah, so we're going to get some news from the Fed today. We'll see how that impacts price, but that's not going to be till right around market close, so I won't be touching anything at that point. Plus, I'm going I'm going to be real busy later today, so probably won't even pay attention much to it. Oh yeah, news come up and take out the choppiness. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I can't see buys today unless we're above 82. Other than that, it's not worth it. It's really not. And if you just happen to press buy and price bulldogs through this, then, awesome. What up, AB Mike? Is there any donation link? Yeah, so we're trying to get the links and everything today for tomorrow. So yeah, gang, so tomorrow we'll be streaming the Asian session, right? So in celebration of 20,000 subs from the Time to Eat YouTube channel, we're gonna be doing 3 streams back to back tomorrow. So we'll be starting during the Asian session tomorrow. Tomorrow, not the next Asian session, but the one after that, I believe. Yeah. So Thursday night's Asian session through London. We'll be streaming London session, and we'll be streaming the New York session. So it'll all be on one live stream. So it won't be 3 separate streams. We're just gonna keep the live stream running the whole time, baby. Jerome, you got a prop firm account? Oh yeah, he got a prop firm account, all right. I was last in the chat yesterday. Hey, just Pella, what up? He's last. I do think closures make a difference on impulse entries, but they do seem to have same volume after breaking. Oh yeah, impulse entries are pretty good. They're only good during, you gotta know when. There's a time and a place, right? Time and a place for impulse entries. And to be honest, I mean, every trade we ever take is an impulse entry, right? So, you know, what is an impulse entry? What is our definition, right? Because no matter what, if you're taking a buy on the 1 hour open of the new candle, you're essentially taking a impulse entry off the 4 hour, off the daily, right? Off the weekly. So every trade we take is technically an impulse entry. But what we're talking about is, let's say there's a wick right here, right? You guys see that wick? So these are the impulse entries that we mean, right? So these are the ones we tend to stay away from, where you have high volume coming in, right? So let's just say it's news or 9:30 or NY open. So what'll happen is price will move up, and what an impulse entry is an entry on the break of that high. So although no candles have yet to close above, they're counting on volume that once we break that high, price will continue moving up, right? That's what an impulse entry is. I'm actually pretty good at these, right? I know when to take them. I know how to take them. Now, again, they're a bit on the more risky side of things. So because you haven't had an official closure, but you do have volume coming in. So, you know, we tend to stay away from these, and I tend to stay away from them also because they're not very teachable, right? And again, they're more of a risky play. And for some people to try and catch on to a move like that, it just, you know, trust me, impulse entries aren't for everybody. So, but yeah, so that's kind of like what an impulse entry is. Or let's say like price breaks this high right now, so you haven't gotten in, but if price breaks the high, you're going to get in, and blah, 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 right? So that's kind of like what impulse entries are and how they work, where, you know, we like to more so wait for the candle to close and then take the position. The closure is just extra confirmation that price is going to head in that direction. Impulse entries, a lot of times they're quick scalps, right? You get in on the break of the high, you close right here. So they're very, you know, you don't know 100% if it's going up, if it's going down. It could go, you know, anywhere at any time. So at least when you do have a closure, you know that the next couple candles should move in that direction. GJ, we're waiting for resistance to form. So GJ is nothing yet. Just, we had this move down, right? We need to move up here, and we need to maybe look for sells on the way back down. What up, 3D Magic World? How you doing? What up, Trading X? It's going great, man. How are you? Yeah, so the stream, so the stream is gonna go all throughout all 3 sessions. So we're gonna open it up during Asian, during Asian session, and we're gonna trade Asian, and then we're gonna keep the stream running, right? So I'm gonna be chilling for Asian, London, and New York on one stream. Yeah, I'm gonna. So I reached out to a few friends of mine as well, and as long as they're not busy, they're gonna try and pop their head in here and there as well, and yeah, chat with us a little bit about life, a little bit about trading, and it's gonna be a good one. We're working on getting what we need to get for the donation for the charities out here in Tampa. So we'll see. Hopefully, we got all that set up. If not, maybe we'll do something else. But yeah, as of right now, we're just looking to get all that, so that way we have something where we could all send bread to, and yeah. Which book you suggest for price action? This one. You're looking at the book right here. Show up day in and day out. Study the daylights out of these candles. Just watch how price moves. That's really the only book I've read on price action. Other than that, I've only read 2 or 3 books, and they were all on psychology and mindset. This is the best book you can read, though, right here. What up, AB Mike? Trade-a-thon? Yeah, there you go. Stack up on caffeine. AB Mike in the house. What up, AB Mike? Love from Pakistan. Yes, sir. Greenery. What's up, Green? All right, 30 minutes starting to show some signs of weakness here. Tapped into 76 there, so we'll see if there's any more energy. 1 hour still looks pretty good to move up, but notice how we're also in this 1 hour rejection here. So this is the spot, man. This will be the place. Right place, right time makes a right trade. There's a bad habit I've had for a long time, which was to move my stop loss higher and higher. I've learned from the big losses. Yeah, I took. Sometimes they still happen. What could I do to change it? There's really nothing you can do outside of don't do it. You know, I mean, there's really no other, magic dust or pill or nothing, you know what I mean? It's just, you just gotta stop doing it. It's that you just have to be affected by the result. And when you're about to move it, so let's say you're taking a buy and your stops are here and you're looking to target here, let's say, and price starts coming down, just let it hit your stop, right? When you click the mouse and you hover over, once you hover over the line of your stop loss and click it and you're about to go like this, just snap out of it and say, hold on. Nick told me that this is something that unprofessional, newbie, rookie, losing traders do all the time. Do I want to be a unprofessional, stupid, newbie, rookie trader here today and have a bigger loss than I planned? Or do I want to just stick to the plan like a professional so that way I can see more and more profitability in the long term? So just stick with it, bro. That's all. You got this. You've got this. And this is that's the moment, right? That we always talk about here is when, everyone's got a different the moment. You feel me? Like for some people it's that moment when they're about to drag that stop, right? They know that they're about to make this mistake, right? Or some people it's to enter a trade without whatever it is, right? When that moment takes over, revenge trading, greed, right? FOMO, when those moments take over, you've got to consciously step out of your body in a way. Look at yourself and be like, don't be a newbie. Don't be a rookie, right? I believe in the trade. Let me hold it for where it is. I planned this trade out with a logical state of mind. Let me not get emotional here and just stick to the script. Yeah, that's it. That's all you can do. That's it. So yeah, let's see if we can get the fake out up here. This is good. I like that we're moving up here. Would really love to see a close above and then the move back down, similar to what we see here. Yeah. Close above or close right at it. Either way, I'm not taking buys. I'm still going to wait for resistance here. Just hanging out. This is Nick's sneaky plan to donate what he... Yeah, no, I really want to set it up so we can work with this Children's Foundation, but their response hasn't been the fastest. So, yeah, so we're working on that. Everything you say sits in my mind so accurately. Perfect, perfect. Yeah, you got this. You got this. It's just a simple decision, right? You kind of make that, like, you have to be consciously aware of it, right? So a lot of times, like I tell you guys, you know, back in the beginning days, I wasn't conscious, right, about the decisions I was making because my emotions would take over during the session, throughout the session, and I would literally leave the office as if I've just gotten into a fight with Mike Tyson. And my wife would be like, "How'd it go, honey?" And I'd be like, "Awesome." But really, it was horrible. Learned a lot today, babe. Yep. Yeah, I learned a lot that day. Yep. So that's you know, those emotions can take over you throughout your session unless you become consciously aware that that's happening, and then understand that, hey, I need to be prepared for that moment next time. I know my flaws, right? I could admit my flaws, and now I know just because I know them doesn't mean that they're not going to show up tomorrow in the session, right? So when they do show up, I'll be ready for them. And that's kind of how you got to consciously come into each day, and then eventually it'll wear away, right? I talk to you guys a lot, right? You guys have read The Power, or some of you guys have read The Power of the Subconscious Mind. But you know, when we think thoughts, right, if we think these thoughts over and over again, these neurological, I believe it's called, grooves are formed within the mind, right? And what they are, they're pathways. And as one walks on a path or uses a path more often, what happens? It weakens down, right? And the path becomes very easy to walk on, right? Maybe the first couple times you were moving bushes aside and, you know, stepping over high grass, but eventually if you keep going that same route, it'll flatten out for you. It'll make it very easy, right? So that's what happens to us, right? Now we need to walk a different path. So we need to, and that path is going to be hard in the beginning, right? Because the bushes are in the way, the high grass is in the way. But as you continually, consciously become aware of walking that path, right? Thinking those thoughts in your mind and not the other ones, guess what happens? The old path, the grass will grow again. The weeds will come in again, and it'll almost be like no one has ever walked there. So that's what you have to get to a point to in your consciousness, right? Is understanding what gets you and understanding that you need to take a different route, and that route's going to be a little difficult. You're going to have to really be aware of it. You might have to write it down on a paper in front of you. You might have to get it tattooed on the outside of your hand, right? I don't know. But somehow, some way, you have to bring attention to, hey, let me not walk that way. I know I usually walk that way out of habit. Let me start walking this way, right? And you start to develop those new grooves in your subconscious mind. Too deep, too deep. The Matrix might wipe us out again here today. Do I plan on starting a broker? Nope. No plans of that just yet. Never know what comes in the future, though. Oh, what up, Sergio TTE Bank Santos? Wepa. Enter the position you gave. Oh, nice. What position did I give? Oh, nice. What's up, Jeremy? Welcome, welcome. Glad you liked the podcast with Calvin. Shout out to Calvin. Welcome, my friend. What up, C4? Let's go C4. George VDM in the house. What up, George? Oh, yeah, this is good right here. This is good. Real good. 11 minutes. The interview was motivating. Oh, nice. Awesome. Glad you liked it. Glad you guys enjoyed the podcast. There's another pod that's dropping here within I guess the next week or so. I'm not too sure. Got another pod coming out here pretty soon. Hey bro, what are your thoughts on doing a 9-to-5 with no savings every month? Any advice to escape? Yeah, man. Yeah, I was talking to someone about this yesterday, and it's like wolves and lions, they go out and take what's theirs, right? They don't just settle for what's given to them. And a lot of times, man, 9-to-5 just ain't gonna cut it, right? A lot of people are saying the same exact story. You know, I work a 9-to-5 and I barely have enough money, right? You basically go to work. I mean, the system's chalked, right? I mean, hopefully everyone's starting to realize that at this point. And these are things that I've been preaching since 2013, 2012. And ask Green knows, right? Because I was saying these things to Green, you know, and everyone thought I was crazy. But the 9-to-5, man, it ain't gonna cut it, bro. If you're a big dreamer and you know you're destined to do big things in life, you know, the way I would look at a 9-to-5 is just use it to build up capital. Build up capital so you can invest into yourself, invest into your ideas, and don't necessarily, you know, rely on it like everybody else is. You know, I told people very early on, like, you rely on your job. We're shifting into a new world, right? This is the digital world now. It's not what it used to be, right? So everyone's like, nah, you crazy. And then the whole pandemic thing came around. Everyone got laid off. And now they want to start online businesses or attempt to, but they're already behind the game, right? So if I were you, I would just try and literally, man, just stack up as much as you can, live extremely below your means, and, you know, try and use that income as capital to fund whatever it is that you believe in, right? Because you got to go get what's yours. Because if you're counting on someone to bring you the plate, it's never going to be the plate you want, trust me. So you got to go out, you got to live below your means, you got to be extremely delayed gratified, right? Like, talking about don't buy anything extra. If you don't need it, ask yourself 2 questions before you make a purchase. Do I need this or do I want this? And if you want it right now, it's got to go. It cannot leave with you, right? You only need to buy things that you need. That way, the money that you do have, you're able to stack more, create a bit of a budget, get yourself on a plan, right? And then use that capital to invest, number 1, into yourself, right? Into your own knowledge, into your own mind, and then invest in some sort of a skill set, right? Find a mentor, find some sort of find a stream like this, pull up if trading something you want to do, and learn, man. But do not spend any extra money, because if your 9-to-5 that you have right now, currently you're not able to save anything, then yeah, you really need to get frugal. And hey, you may need to pick up another 9-to-5, and you may, or not another 9 to 5, but a part-time job, and you want to shift your perspective real quick, right? Instead of thinking jobs suck, ah man, I don't want to work for someone, I want to do all that's true, but for the time being, you have to sacrifice. So you've got to say, you know what? Instead of looking at my 9 to 5 like that and my second job like this and being all mad every day, I'm just going to be grateful. I'm going to be grateful that this is another stream of income, right? I'm an entrepreneur. I'm just giving my service to this company for the time being because I'm stacking up money to invest into my future. And then just truck through that. Stay extremely disciplined, live extremely below your means for the next 6 to 8 months. Build up a nest egg, build up some cash, right? And now you're going to have some cash to go out and do some things. And, you know, for me and, you know, some people I know, they did that and they bought themselves a window, right? A window of opportunity to make things happen. And maybe you could do the same thing. Yeah. Hopefully that helps. Gotta delay gratification. One of the best things me and my wife and I ever did was delay gratified. I'm so grateful my wife wasn't like some wives. Oh no, I need this or I need that. She said, babe, let's do it. Like, I'm with it. And we just buckled down, and we still do today live extremely below our means. Extremely below our means. And I'm grateful for a wife that's on the same page, right? Because when you're, yeah, whatever. We'll stop there. But yeah, so that's what I would do. Yeah, and as long as you're on a mission, right, outside of the 9 to 5, then that's all that really matters. Once you have something else that you're leaning towards, right? And this isn't like a down on jobs type of talk. This is like, you need that job, right? But just switch the perspective and say, you know what? I'm going to use this job to build up capital. And with that capital, I'm going to go ahead and change my life. So I'm grateful to show up. I'm grateful for every hour they give me. I'm going to dedicate myself. I'm going to have fun with it. And I'm going to kill this thing, right? And then in 2 years, you'll be very, very happy you did that. She Unique is in the house. What up, She Unique? Hey, let's go. What up, Andreas? What up, Yanosh? What's good? Yanosh is in the house. Yes, sir. All right, we poked 76 here. What will we do now? Oh, look, pound yen moving down here as well. Very nice. Very nice. So NY Open is coming up in 5 minutes here. Let's see what we can get done. Nice rejection off pound yen there. Yeah. This gold, we still need a bearish candle to form, right? Yeah, it looks clean. Looks clean. We poked into 76 there. That's what we wanted. Johnny Boy's in the house. Johnny Tsunami. What's the good word here, kid?
What's good, Nick?
How you
How you
feeling?
doing? Feeling good, bro. Feeling wonderful. Feeling like a winner. How are you feeling?
Exactly the same.
What I like to hear.
Literally.
What I
Exactly
like
the
to hear.
same.
Good. I'm glad we're on the
Couldn't be
same
better,
page.
man. Couldn't be better. I mean, wow. Could life get
For real,
better
man.
than this?
For real though, I woke up today and I was hyped because I woke up. Right. I was blessed with another day. I was blessed with another day, so I was hyped. So.
You hype, bro. What's up? I woke up like this. I woke up like this. All right, look at this. Beautiful here. Beautiful, beautiful. So right around NY Open. Looks like we're going to get the rejection here, kiddo.
Hey, let's go. Was waiting for resistance on both gold and GJ.
Yeah, GJ's got a nice resistance here. Gold working on it as well. Nice rejection here. If the 30 closed bearish, that's going to be even cleaner.
Definitely.
Bro, I woke up like a zombie. Yeah, see me today. So one thing I'm working on is training my the rhythm of my body to wake up at a specific time. So I haven't been using alarm clocks. So if you guys see me not here, you know why. But I haven't been using alarm clocks, and I've been finding myself waking up right around 5. So I'm trying to get that to 4, and then I'll be sitting in pretty good position. But yeah, haven't been using alarm clocks at all. So just trying to train the body.
That's actually fire, bro. Good stuff.
Yes, sir. Yeah, let's take a look at the higher time frames here on pound yen 2 very quick. 1 hour, 4 hour looks 4 hours tapping into that support there too. Let's see if we end up getting a closure here. We got 1 minute left. No buys? Nah, no buys for me today on gold, to be honest. Unless we get above 82 there. Yeah, the buys are, I don't know. If price wants to shoot up, that's fine. That's gonna be some other trader's move. That's not gonna be my move.
Yeah, I don't want to be a part of all that with the resistance going on there. A lot of chopped.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, now just because I'm not looking for buys today doesn't mean that this won't happen, right? Doesn't mean that won't happen. So I'm not saying, hey, if you're looking for buys, you're an idiot, right? It's not that. It's just for me to take buys, it's just too much resistance all throughout this area. But above here, nice and clean. All right, cool. So gold did close bearish on the 15, which is good. We also did reject this zone here on the 30 minute. I'm not going to take these buys at 8 a.m. off the 15. I want to see the 30 here close bearish. If we can close 30 on the bearish, then I think we could see a nice move down here. But as of right now, 30 minute, 1 hour, all closed bullish. So I really need to see a 30 minute closure, and we'll be good to go.
I agree.
And then pound yen closed right at support, unfortunately. Major support right here. We did create resistance. We did get this exhaustion wick here, but we closed right at support. So if we can get a 15-minute closure below, then that'll be awesome, right? And we'll take this sell coming down. But as of right now, for the next 15, nothing here on GJ. For me. But if y'all see something here that you want to jump on, do it. Do it. Thank you for the 9 to 5 perspective shift. G, really like it. Yeah, man, for sure. Yeah, see, one of the things I always dealt with too was, oh, I hate 9 to 5s, and I would literally just be miserable. Like, I'd make myself miserable. So that's where I learned this little tactic. Like, you know what? I need to switch my perspective on this thing, man. Like, I I would just, man, I would hate working for someone else. But then I started realizing, you know what, I'm gonna just use this towards capital, right? I'm an entrepreneur, and I'm working for this guy, selling him my service right now, and unfortunately he gave me the price. Right, he gave me my price, but hey, it is what it is. I was a young kid at that point, and I was just willing to do, switch the perspective. And yeah, GJ closed right at support, but impulse entry would be good. Yeah, that wouldn't be bad. Yep. But I'm going to wait for the actual 15-minute closure here, because that'll be really nice, right? You get a 15-minute candle to close. You've got, clean move coming down. There is, some sort of hold up right here. And that's probably where I would close partials. Let's see. Yeah, about 15 pips. So, yeah, but I'm definitely not going to take a sell here right now. But it looks pretty good. Once we get a closure, then I think that's going to be pretty clean. No, so the 15, I didn't draw the support on the 15. I drew it off the 30, and I'm not looking at this support. If you look left, there's a strong support right here. So I'm going to base it off of that here. And that just happens to line up with all that support on the 15. So that works out well. So I'm just going to keep it right there. Been locked in for a month, bro. Hey, let's go, young. Let's get it. Got you, bro.
Locked in season.
You guys see my IG. You guys see my IG, what type of mode we on. Right? My favorite. So as you guys know, I was a pretty big athlete growing up. Played a lot of baseball. Was a tall lefty pitcher. And man, my favorite player ever is Andy Pettitte, man. And I used to just, everything he did, I did, man. And when he had his eyes poking out the glove like that, oh man, that was my signature. So yeah, man, it's Andy Pettitte mode. It's postseason, baby. We're postseason Andy Pettitte mode right now.
Thanks. Mamba mentality, baby. Oh.
Mamba. Pedro Martinez. Allen Iverson mode. Let's go. Hey, you guys can go back and see some of our throwbacks from a couple years ago. This is the type of move we on right now. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Got my eyes on the prize. Eyes on the target. Ronaldo mode. Hold on, check. Oh. Yo, could you guys hear that music that just popped on there real quick? Were you able to hear that, John? Nah, chat, were you guys able to hear that? It's a bit loud. Yeah?
Yeah, they did.
Yo, this was the best post of my life. Hold on. Right here.
Got 35 pips on GU sell with a 10 lot open. Thanks to Raja Magic Keys and Marcus Fluidity. So thankful. Nice Nick Stewart.
Yo, stupid. Level up is what Yo, that was my favorite post in 2024. Or 2024. 2021.
Yeah.
Yo, we were hype. You remember that, right?
Yeah. I do.
Yo, we were hype.
I was lit.
Yes.
W's. Go.
All right, so look, so no 15 move here, right? Just gotta wait on this 30-minute candle. So let's see, are we gonna respect the high here and then move down? There's still no bottom wick either on this 30 or this 1 hour. So let's see what happens at this high right here.
And we're approaching a rejection zone. No bottom wick.
Yep.
Damn.
Bearish day.
There.
GJ, nothing. Nothing.
Nothing. Right, Landon? It's funny.
Yo, yeah, I was hyped that day. Raja was like, yeah, Nick Stewart. I was like, yes. Let's go.
Thanks, bro. You were hype.
So all my boys, they used to call me the Raja lover because I always talk about Raja and I trade just like him. And you know, some of the guys that I used would trade with all the time, they trade a little bit differently, but I'm like, nope, gotta wait for the candle to close. Nope, gotta do this. Nope, gotta wait for the 30-minute. And they'd be like, yo, this guy loves Raja. This guy loves Raja. And I'm like, you damn right I do, right? You damn right I do. And I just kept on loving his style. And I'm still talking about it today, right? Still trading the same exact way. Look, still trading the same way. Let me, right? Buys above, sells below, no trade range, same stuff, right? December 14, 2024. Dedicated last 6 months to gold, right? This was 2021, so been on gold for a hot minute here. Oh yeah, been there, done that. That was my some of you guys like, hey Nick, you ever gonna get into sniper entries? Yeah man, been there, done that, right? I already did that. But yeah, look at this, 2022, same exact plays, same exact moves, waiting for the same exact stuff. Simple, right?
Nothing changed.
Nothing has changed. Very, very little.
Repeat.
Yeah, very, very little has changed here, right? So
We said this from the first stream that nothing's changing in terms of strategy, right? The only thing that's changing is the numbers, right? The account number, our profits. That's the only thing that changes in Forex. The strategy will remain the same.
yep. Outside of like the little tweaks and nuances that you got to make throughout the quarters and all that stuff, you know, other than that, it's the same concepts. You know, you're going to lose, you're going to win, but more often than not, you're going to win, you know, and that's what an edge is. And, you know, unfortunately, people will take a couple losses and they'll try and switch up a strategy. And could you imagine if I tried switching up my strategy every time I took a couple losses, how many strategies I would go through? Would I be where I am today, right? Like, it's just, man, just find something that works and works well with you and your personality, and just stick to it, man. Don't make it so complicated.
And going back to Raja, what does he say, right? If the markets do the same thing every day, then why shouldn't we, right? So strategy shouldn't change.
Word.
Yep, that's why we have no strategy. Exactly.
No strategy. I DM'd you the clip of Raja watching your stream. Oh yeah, nice. Thank you, bro. Yeah, I gotta go check that out. Where you DM me? Where? IG or Discord? Yeah, I'm living in the future, yeah. We'd have 30 strategies this year. The copy and paste. Discord? Oh, okay, let's check it out. What's my IG? This is my IG handle. Yeah, it's my handle on Instagram. You guys are more than welcome to come follow me. I'll typically post a good amount on my stories and stuff too. So, but yeah, we usually post our trades and everything here. Some of our trades. Yeah, my channel is mainly about trading. You know, just it's my family. Little man, We got another one coming, so another little one on the way.
Wow.
But yeah, pretty much post most of the positions that we take here, so you can learn a bit. You want some good book recommendations? Those are here for you too. Yeah, been quite a journey. Quite the journey. But yeah, that's the handle right there. There's a lot of fake pages out there too, so don't get caught up.
Hey man, you can go back on that page. Right? Like how long? When was your first post? Even like 2015.
First post was I don't have a lot of posts here, but let's see.
You got a lot of posts, okay?
Yeah, right here. It's me and my wife.
Thanks.
That was 232 weeks ago, I think. Trust the process is what I wrote. That's the status. Trust the process, man. Holy.
On that. Still on that mode.
Yeah, man. So here's your boy Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber met me one day. But yeah, told you guys I used to do a lot of speaking and all that good stuff. So, but check out these
Bieber
books.
asked you for the picture.
He did. He really did, honestly.
Low key.
He really did. Because there was a girl. I didn't even know this dude was there, and then all of a sudden I see this girl screaming like, "Oh my God, Justin Bieber!" And he's like, "Hey, you think you could take a picture?" And I was like, "Yeah, no problem." So I took a picture of him and this girl, and then he's like, "Would you want to take a picture? Would you want to take a picture?" And I'm like, "All right, I'll take a picture with you, bro. I got you." So yeah, that's how it went down. Are you excited to show your kids how to trade? Yeah, we only bring them here when we're in drawdown, so I could teach them how to handle drawdown in the markets and in life without being a little wimp.
Nice.
Yeah, so nothing here at 8:15 either. So we'll see. It looks like we're gonna probably try and close above this. The real resistance is right there. Yeah, but look, you close above there, you got another resistance here, right? And then another resistance here, and then another resistance here, and another one there. So not the cleanest price action on the way up there. Show the kids how to trade. Didn't I, oh yeah, yeah, look. See, I only show my kids drawdown. See the drawdown? 13 pips. Damn, Dad. Beautiful celery play. 13 pip drawdown. We'll come out of this. So sit here, kids. It's time to learn how to handle the heat in life.
Got to.
Yup. JP watching the stream. Yo, what up, Augie? What's good, brother?
What up, Augie?
I thought the Bieber pick was John.
I don't know if that's insult or comment.
Yeah, nah, you guys see this, where was that pick? I lost it. You guys see this black, this way he jumped out of right here. Pulled up.
Looking at a millionaire right there.
Yeah, on the left. Ha!
Yes, sir. That's what I was talking about.
Between the two of us, sheesh, we're worth like 100 million, man. 100 million between the two of us.
I have Bieber vibes.
He jumped out of the moving car to get the pick. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Very nice. Perfect. Awesome. Let's see if we actually reject here. So we got 12 minutes for the 30-minute closure. So if we do close bear, then there may be a possible entry here for this move down here, right? 8:15 coming up, 8:20, 8:30, and potentially we can start our descend here. So let's see. Just continue to be patient. All we're doing at this point is waiting for price to print how we logically want it to print, right? So I'm not going to say, hey, I'm not taking any buys here. I'm only waiting for resistance, and then an hour or two later start taking buys here, right? That's that moment that those emotions take over. So that's the moment in which you need to consciously control. So if some of you guys took those buys, you know, it is what it is, but at least now you understand, hey, you heard me say that earlier, right? And now you see price starting to do what we wanted to do, but because you just threw that out the window, you rushed into buys, right? I gave you one. Once you heard me say, hey, just because I want it to go down, well, price could still go like this today. And that was all you needed to sway your thinking, right? That was all you needed. So you got to get tough, man. Got to get mentally tough. I'm talking to somebody. I feel attacked.
If that's you, now you know, right? Now you know not to make that same mistake again next time you're in that situation, which, trust me, there'll be a lot of more situations like that.
And then you heard me say that, and you closed it, but now price is going to go like this.
That's the game.
You entered here, but you were in drawdown as I was saying that, and the candle flipped bearish. So you threw your other plan out the window, and you're like, all right, let me close this. And now price is going to move like this the rest of the session. And you're going to be punching the air later. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Nick. My name is in all capitals here. Let's see. Listen to this. All right. One day I'm going to become a professional trader. Oh, yes. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but one day. That one day I'm going to come find you and thank you personally. Hey, let's go. Let's get it. Yeah, man. That's how success is one day at a time. Right? It's just one day. Success doesn't happen overnight. It happens over many nights is what my mentor would tell me. Right? Everyone thinks success happens overnight, but it's really over many, many, many nights stacked up, doing the right things, making those deposits, right? Yesterday we talked about creating an edge. That in trading you create an edge, but you can create an edge in life as well, right? When it comes to personal development, when it comes to your spiritual life, your physique, right? Your fitness, everything. You can create this edge in your life that has nothing to do with trading, but everything to do with trading. So yeah, man, maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but you keep doing the right thing day in and day out. Those deposits stack up, and guess what? There's always some sort of harvest, right? The Bible tells us, right, that there is a harvest, right? As long as you don't grow weary in doing what is right, you will reap a harvest, right? There will be a harvest down the road. And we know that with every action, there's some sort of reaction, right? So now a lot of times, and I remember my mentor told me this, he taught me this. I was sitting in his car, we were on a car ride, my wife was in the back seat, and I said, man, you know, I'm doing the right things. Why am I struggling in this area? How come I'm not catching traction? He told me, Nick, you know, what you do now, you get rewarded or you get punished 90 days from now, 100 days from now. So whatever you're doing in this season will either bring you a reward or some sort of punishment, right? In the next season. And that's why when a farmer plants a seed, the plant doesn't show that day, right? There's a process, there's a sowing, there's a reaping process and a harvest that comes from it. So don't judge your future based off of what your life looks like today. Judge it off the deposits that you're putting in and day out, because if you're putting good seed in, then eventually that will grow, right? And that harvest will come. But, sometimes it could take 90 days. Sometimes it could take 120 days. Sometimes it could take 2 years. Sometimes it could take 3 years, right? But you got to trust that process. A lot of times the bad, like if you eat a big old piece of cake right now, you're not going to see the result right away. But if you eat cake all the time, 90 days from now, you're going to see those results. And same thing, if you continue to hit the gym and do the right things in your fitness and in your diet, you're not going to see that currently at the moment. Like you eat a healthy meal, you're not going to look down and have a six-pack right away. But over time, you make those deposits day in, day out, keep doing the right things over and over. That's where the results come down the road, and it works both ways, negatively and positively. What's going on here?
Yes.
You dig, John?
I dig.
And these are things that I coached John on early on too, when he was a young kid, right? I could see that he wanted to become good at baseball. I could see that he wanted to, make strides and become the best. And I told him, look, right now there's no doubt those other kids are better than you, right? So you're gonna have to separate yourself. You're gonna have to do some work, right? Now, what work are they doing? Or are they not doing that you can create an edge on, right? So what did he do? He started waking up day in, day out before school, right? What kid do you know is working out before school, taking hits, taking cuts off the tee before school, getting the job done, right? All those other kids are eating a bowl of cereal, and waking up, slacking off, going to school. John's been up for 3 hours in the backyard taking hits off the tee. It's no surprise he made the All-Star team that year. It's no surprise he hit a few game-winning home runs that year. It's no surprise his name went up in lights that year, and the following year, and the following year, and the year after. Because what did he do? He dug deep. He started doing the right actions even when there was no result. And then down the road, 90 days, 100 days from then, the result came, right? And he was on fire. And everyone thought, man, where'd that come from? Right? That comes from the unseen, right? What is he doing when no one's watching?
Money, very true, very true.
Same thing will work in your life, gang.
Yes, 100%.
I got punished. All right, we'll see what happens here on pound yen. We've got a 30-minute closure / 15-minute closure here in 5 minutes. So I think if we can close below here, we've got a shot at taking these sells. And Goldilocks, gold is looking good too. 30-minute closure bearish. We will most likely be looking to take sells here. Yeah, so we'll see. This is exactly what we wanted, gang, right? We prepared for this. We planned this early on in the session. Once we came to the stream, that we were looking for rejections at 76. We've gotten that tap there on 76. Price did form resistance on the 15. Came back up real quick. Looks like we're forming another resistance. And if this 30 closes bearish, that's our signal, right? That's our action, our call to action to strike.
Sir.
How'd you know I was eating cake? 1,600 watching only. Hey, if you guys could like the stream today, give the stream a like. If you're enjoying your time here, if you're learning something, if things are clicking a little bit for you, give the stream a like here today. That's all we really ask, is just like the stream.
Get up. Like it up if you want a fire trade here on gold.
Yep.
Then up nice.
Will you take a sell on GJ when it closes below, even if it doesn't have a bottom wick? Chat could answer that question for you. What do you think, chat?
No.
If we close bearish below the range, but we close with no bottom wick, will I take a sell here? What do you guys think? Wow, I'm so glad I found this channel, learning a lot. Hey, shout out to Tom. Awesome, Tom. No, yeah, no, nope. So I won't take a sell. Chat says I can't do it. Gold is slowly gaining more interest than GJ for me. Hey, what up, Nikolovsky? Bro, that's crazy. We were just talking about you yesterday. I'll say, where's my man Nikolovsky at?
Nikolovsky. What's good, brother?
No bottom wick, no range to drive. Yep. Yeah. See how we got no bottom wick here? Price just boop, push back up. Now sometimes it will drive, right? So again, nothing is ever 100% with trading. Right? Nothing is ever 100%, but there are probabilities. All right, we got 1 minute. Let's lock this in, chat. Let's see where we're at. See if we can get some positions here on gold.
Lock it in.
Yeah, so what I'm going to be doing is probably going to be closing partials right around this support level here and then leaving a runner for the remainder of the day. So we'll see. Stops are going to be about 37 pips. I'm going to be risking percentage on this trade, 2.5%. So we'll see what happens.
May use current candle stops here.
Yeah, you can use current candle. You can use whichever one you like. But yeah, so what I need to see is a top wick. And then once we break the lows here, then that's going to be the entry. Yeah, what did 820 do? Yeah, nice drive down there. Perfect. All right, candle has opened up. Let's see if we can get a top wick here, and then sell stops will go in. We'll see. I'm gonna need a top wick though. Love from Morocco. What's goody? Nothing's ever, yeah. Outside of the barcode, nothing's 100%. Pack runner, yeah, we did get a nice break of the high there. Yep.
You got it on percentage mode, Nick?
Yeah, I got it on percentage. Oh, is that going to be it?
Come up a little.
Uh-oh. Is that going to be it? Is that going to be all the top wick we're going to get? What's my entry price? My entry price is going to be the break of the lows there. So yeah, if we can come up and re-break the high now, that'll be great. Lovely. All right, chat. Gonna have sell stops now on the break of the lows here on gold. And if we're looking for price to drive down after creating this resistance level here, poking its head, my stops are going to be kept above the previous candle high as of right now, which is about 1977. And then we'll see if we can work our way down. Going to look to take partials right around this area here, which is going to be about 33 pips. About 33 pips here. So we'll see if we can get activated. And yeah, look to take this thing down. Yeah, if we end up closing, so let's say we get activated here and then we end up closing bullish. At that bullish closure, that's where I'm going to close my position. So we've got a plan, right? We've got a plan for if price goes in our favor. We've got a plan for if price goes not in our favor, and that is what we will stick to here. So should be a good move coming down. Got volume coming in. Looks like I've been activated perfectly, so got into some sells here, chat. Stops are going to be kept above these highs, as we just said. TP is going to be down here, more so near the support level down here. Partials are going to be somewhere around this 1970 zone here. So once we kind of move in towards this support, we're going to look to potentially close up some positions, and that's going to be the trade. Yeah, that's it. Done. I think I've been activated, right? Yes. Yeah, I've been activated here. So lovely. So that's going to be the trade. 30 minute. We got this, you know, beautiful resistance here. So let's run it. Show the, yeah, you guys should be good there. Perfect. Lovely. Camera's blurry. Is it? Not again. Looks good to me. $100 dub. $100 dub. Yeah, simple playbook position. Resistance being formed, bearish day. That's it. You know, 1 hour is still a little bullish, but we'll see what happens here. 15 closed bear as well. Stops are pretty clean up here, so yeah. Now we let this thing go into probabilities hands. Price broke lows, yeah. Think markets didn't activate? Oh, nice. So you guys are still hanging on. How much is max drawdown? What do you mean? For the day? Day, 5%, right? I think 5%, yeah. Pass phase 1. Oh, and then fails phase 2. Ah, it's okay. You'll get it back. You'll get it back. Hey, Sam Capital's in the house. What up, Sammy boy?
Oi, Sam the man.
How you feeling, brother? How you doing? Makes me feel good having the same markups as you. Oh, nice. Beautiful. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, these markups, you know, I've been marking up gold now for quite some time, you know, a couple years. So, yeah, I like it. How do I get the pip counter on TradingView? Aha. That's a secret. That's a secret. Vant trading in the house. Oh, let's go. Oh, we need to win this one then, Vant. Oh, man. We need to get a dub here then. Do. Let's go. What up, Vant?
Good, Vant.
What up, Sandman? Morning, bro.
Sandman.
How you doing? Everyone in the chat locked in. Possible 1 hour flip. Possible. I'm going based off of this resistance formed here on the 30-minute. Clean traffic to the left. Bearish day. Closure below on the 15 as well. So that's what I'm really basing this off of here. Oh, Sergio TTE Bank Santos. There he is. Morning, Sandman. Jerome Powell's here today. What up, Jerome Powell? Why volume right now? Oh, right now is the time of volume, right? So 8:30. You know, these are times of volume, so. Good afternoon. How are you, family? Doing great. How are you? Doing great. Pal's in the house today. Shout out to Jerome. Jeromey the homie. The homie Jeromey.
Boy.
Yeah. Where's Sam? I seen Sam in the chat here. I seen Sam in the chat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually move my stop here from the current or the previous high here to the current candle high. So we're gonna mitigate all of our risk here, and got about 1% on the line now. So now that we're breaking through these lows, you should see a push down. If we do break that high, then there's a chance that, you know, this may not work out. So let's see if we can continue down here. Not going to go break even or anything like that. Just going to logically place the stop on the high here and then see if we can continue down. He's coming. All right, bet. All right. What will we do? What will we do? How do you close 80% on MT5? I'm not too sure. I think you got to click like your position, right click, modify, right? Something like that. Yeah.
You gotta fix your lots. You gotta do the math yourself. I don't know.
Yeah, I use magic
And then
keys,
put
so
the
that
correct
I'm
lot in.
not too sure about. Thanks for the live streams, of course. Yeah, you gotta do it manually. Gotta do it manually. It's time for me to punch in the 9 to 5. Oh, nice. Good luck on the trade. Oh, thank you, bro. Thank you, thank you.
You.
Yeah, get magic keys. That'll help out a lot.
Yeah.
Thanks for the live streams, bro. Greetings from the Philippines. Hey, yo, what up? What did GJ do? Yeah, you see that? GJ moved up, right? We closed there as support and moved on up from that point. Interesting. Interesting. Hit the like to give it a push. Hit the like and give it a push. Hello from Morocco. What's good? What's good from Morocco? Yeah, no, did I look at Brent? No, I didn't. I did not. Yeah, GJ's moving on up here. So we couldn't get past that 30-minute support there. Interesting. Gold, we're working on it. We're working on gold. We got a 15 close, right? Yeah, 15 close, very weak bullish here. So we still close below the range. Right? And if we do break that high, that's where we're going to cut our loss anyway. So yeah, everything looks pretty good. We should pull back here, right? Too on the 4 hour. So we may get this pullback last 15 of the 4 hour. So we'll see. A lot of volume going on right now. A lot of movement. But we got a 15-minute top wick here. So let's see if we can re-break those lows. That'd be awesome.
See.
Previous. Yeah. 15 candle of the 1 hour has no bottom wick. Bearish, is it still a no-go? What do you mean? The 15 1 hour? I'm not sure what that means. Why did I change my stops? Because if we break this 15 high, there's a pretty high chance we're going to continue running up here, right? So that this may die out. I think I got stopped there, right? Did I?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. Yeah, I think stops got hit there. So if we break this high, then there's a pretty high chance we're going to continue up now. So instead of having my stops up here, you mitigate risk, right? Cut the risk down and basically in half, and you just take a smaller loss. So I think that was, I think I got stopped on that. Let me just double check. Yeah, perfect. So yeah, about a little bit over a 1% loss there. So not too big of a deal, right? The cool part about it, I was risking 2.5%. So mitigated risk there, and yeah, guess price ain't ready to go. No 8:30 show today. And there goes the 1 hour flip here. So lovely trade though, right? Very textbook opportunity. This is what we planned on from the morning. So that's what we're gonna stick to, right, throughout the day. And yeah, good trade. On to the next. Yep. Yeah, see, once we break that 15 high now, we're probably gonna move. Probably gonna move. Took BE with, oh nice, went 12 pips in profit. Is that what we, did we see 12 pips there?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh wow, yeah, we did see 12, cool. Yeah, pretty good trade. Pretty good trade. Tapped into these wick zones here. I guess there was a little bit of a support. Yeah. Yeah, not a bad one. If you close partials at 12, good job. Yeah, I took 10. Nice. Got 8. Oh, only 8 pips. W, yeah, shout out to the ones who took 12 there. Good job. Did you take 12, John, or you be
Nah, I didn't.
Nah, yeah, I didn't want to take 12 there because I was anticipating the move down, right? The bigger move to clean this whole range here at least. So yeah, not bad. Yeah, 12 pips definitely came fast then.
It did.
You must have sniped it. Sniped the
There's
exit.
a lot of volume in that candle.
There was. Yeah, we'll see if we can reattempt this. Let's let price action do. I guess it wants to come up here again. So let's see what price wants to do here, and maybe we get a second attempt around like 9:30. Got previous candle stop still. Nice. Nice, nice. Yeah, typically the 4 hour is going to pull back, right? Last 15 of the 4 hour. So we were expecting that pullback as well to bring this 30-minute candle down also. Yep. Yeah, if you're still holding, that high was pretty good, right? This stop up here was pretty good. But once we start breaking that 15 high, you know, that's when you know you may see a push. But hey, those stops are legit though because they're above the actual structure there. So nice, nice, still holding, cool. Still holding. Let's go. All right.
Beautiful.
I'm hoping the best for you guys. 30-minute highs is still, nothing is broken on the 30-minute at all. So 30-minute candle is going to close up here in a few minutes. Few minutes. Sad loss, Nick? Nah, don't be sad. Don't be sad. It was a beautiful playbook setup. Beauty.
You gotta smile.
GJ buys. Yeah, range. I would need range 2 buys above here. All right, give me one moment. I'll be right back, and we'll see how this 4-hour candle closes here in just a few minutes.
Was that an onion play? Yes. Yes, that was an onion play. Was it a beauty if we lost? Yes, it was, because that was a good loss, right? And a good loss is a win in disguise, right? Over time, that's a healthy loss, and that's not a bad loss, right? We followed our plan there. Losses are part of the game, chat. It's rent to the charts. The onion play got your accounts crying? Nah, definitely not. The onion play is making me profitable. Yeah, you know it's okay, right, to take losses? Nothing wrong with taking losses. Every professional trader takes losses.
All right. All right, what's going to happen here now? Oh, look at that. Stops probably would have got hit there. Yeah, good stuff. See, one thing that I always learned from Raja was managing risk is just as important as winning a trade. So if there is a W here, it is W on risk management, understanding that, you know, if price close doji, you know, week 15 but bullish, if you do break that high, there's a very high chance you'll come up to wipe out the 30-minute highs and the 1-hour highs, and that's exactly what happened. So W on trade management there, and for those of you guys who did close 12 pips in profit, W all around for you guys too.
If you're emotional over that loss, you need to understand that every trade is random, right? And the only thing that's in our favor is the probabilities. And here, the probabilities weren't in our favor, right? But you need to understand that concept that every trade is random.
Blade. We're in there, Blade. What up, level up? How do you plan on getting profits back? Just show up every day. Take the best trades. That usually will do it. Oh, damn. Vant was on here too. Vant, sorry, bro. First trade. Damn. Just remember that. Give us another shot, Vant. What I learned from Raja, you can't really control your wins, but yeah, exactly. You can control your losses. You can control your losses, yep. And that's what we did here. We just controlled our loss, right? We could have easily taken a 2.5% loss, but we just managed it, right? Just managed it. And that was it. It happens. Let's cook another one. Yeah, we're gonna wait. We possibly be able to give this give a trade another shot, right? Let's see how the 4-hour closes now. Let's see how the next few 15-minute candles operate. Let's see what's taking place as 9:30 comes around. We know that that's the next time we're gonna have a good amount of volume running in. So very, very simple. We wait on that, and that's it. Or you could be like I used to be and take buys, and then take a couple more sells, and maybe a couple more buys, and a couple more sells. Hey, yo, today's not Thursday. Landscapers are here. They're here early.
Yeah.
Early this week.
Wow.
All right, let's go ahead and mark that that trade up here too. Good, that was a good trade, right? As long as we can fill these areas in and be like, wait, that wasn't an onion, that wasn't a seller, right? Then we're good to go. So that was 8:30. I think we got entered in at 8:30, right? 8:30 a.m. 10:25. Shout out to my boy Travis. Happy birthday to Travis if he's on here. 10:25. Gold. That was a sell. Onion. Break of current low. 30-minute time frame. Full. Let's see. What did we 18 pips. Light work. Let's go back. Wait, so is that half now? I don't know. I think we're just going to leave it how it was. All right, perfect. Awesome. On to the next. Right? You see how I react to the losers? Same way I react to the winners, right? Literally nothing. Just good trade, on to the next one.
Yep. Professional trader ever chat with Mark Douglas says he doesn't focus on the outcomes. He focuses on trading his edge, and that's what we're focused on.
Focus. Today's Forex Frank's birthday as well. Let's go. Happy birthday, Forex Frank. Okay,
Forex
so
Frank, happy birthday.
Look at this. So 4-hour candle did close bullish here. We did kind of close above everything to the left as well. 1 hour did close bullish. 30-minute closed bullish, all in this rejection zone. So yeah, we'll see what happens over the next 15 minutes or so, and let this 4-hour find its footing, get started, and then we'll kind of take a look at where we're at. Still holding? Oh, nice. Nice, nice. Happy birthday to everybody. A few people's birthday here today. Nice. How many trades do I take in a day? 1 or 2. Sometimes 3. I'm here. Thank you, bro. Yeah, happy birthday, Travis. Yes, sir. Oh, comments are flying out. That's how I knew you were real. No hype, no BS. Just trade what you see. Yeah. Loss, no emotion. Win, no emotion. Yep. Yes, sir. Forex Frank, what you doing for your birthday, man? We got a few birthdays here. Got my brother Joe's birthday coming up.
Nice.
Found out
October birthday.
Yeah. Oh, nice. You found out you were going to have a child, huh? Now discipline needs to be better. Yeah. Thank you for the knowledge and wisdom, Nick. Yeah, man. Some of the 3 most motivating words, right? Honey, I'm pregnant. Oh, really? I've heard those 3 motivating words 3 times now, so you guys can imagine my level of motivation and discipline here. I'm still in. Any tips? Yeah, don't move your stop wherever your stops are. If you already survived that, then I would leave your stops where they are and just hang on. Just hang tight. Because if you didn't get stopped out, then you should be good, right? If price does want to go down, I doubt we break these highs again. So, yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we would have got stopped had we kept our original, right? Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Oh, check out the prop firm channel on Discord. Oh, let's check it out. Let's go. Big W. Congratulations, bro. Passing phase 1, right? Phase 1. Yeah, good stuff, man. You killed it. You're killing it, bro. Congratulations, man. Job well done. Big W. Not my birthday. We didn't take a trade yesterday. No trades yesterday. Oh, nice. I was 0.2 pips from stops getting hit. I don't know how I survived. Nice. Nice. Yeah, 4 hours got no bottom wick here, so I'm expecting a move down here, at least to create a bottom wick. Good stuff, Forex Frank. Holding strong for that B-Day trade. Just want to say thanks to you, Nick. Hey. Good job, bro. Way to show up every day and get the job done. My son's name? Yeah, my son's name is Pips. Mr. Pip. Let's see here where we get a move down. So let's get rid of all of our drawings here. Let's take a look at fresh price action, right? So let's go ahead and recap here. So daily is still bearish due to the previous daily candle. Now, can we close bullish today? Absolutely, right? So that's going to be determined on these lower time frames, right? So now we're looking at the 4 hour. 4 hour did close bullish above this consolidation here. But we do have another very strong resistance right here. And this whole range here is just filled with rejection, right? So a lot of rejection in this zone here. Price can go either way, right? I wouldn't feel too comfortable in taking these buys, because if we look at all these wicks on the lower time frame, it's just super choppy, right? Coming up. So if we do get some sort of a new closure again, I would probably look to reattempt the sells here, right? So basically you got sells below here, closure, sells below, and then buys again. I don't know, man. Buys are still not looking the greatest. Still not looking the hottest here. So yeah, probably gonna have a resistance level here. And yeah, same rules apply here. Sells below. Maybe like range 2 buys. Oh, range 2 buys. And that's it now. So now this range here becomes a no trade range. Right here. So this becomes a no trade range. but anything below it is pretty clean for price to come down here today, right? And anything above is a bit choppy, but we'll talk about buys if and when they decide to present themselves. Sweet. Eight caps highs weren't broken. Oh, nice. Where's everyone gone? Where'd everyone go? Y'all still here, chat? Where'd you guys go? We were having a beautiful conversation. What happened? We here. We here. We here. Yeah, we will see how price. I'm looking now towards 9:30 here. So depending on what happens around 9:30, that's going to give us some signs on where price can go. Let's see if we fill this wick here on the 30, which it looks like we're doing. Very nice. Very nice. How do I get access to the journal? Just hit exclamation point journal. What up, DL Fowler in the building?
Yeah, good.
Hard part's taking a loss and still needing to wash the dishes. Oh yeah. Gotta get them dishes cleaned.
Clean them out, man.
DL in the house. What up, DL? How you doing? How you doing, man? Everything going good? It's been a little bit. Life's a blessing. Yes, sir, brother. Yes, it is. All right, let's see pound yen here. So not much with GJ, right? We just kind of stopped, right? Once we had that closure, we just stopped and moved on up there. So nothing there on pound yen. 1 hour is moving up. No bottom wick though here on the 1 hour. 4 hour did close bearish here, so you do have a potential wick fill here on the 4 hour time frame coming back down to that support. So we'll keep an eye on this. If we do get some sort of resistance formed here, then there may be an opportunity on pound yen. PDH. What are the plans for tomorrow? Tomorrow we're going to be streaming. We're going to start well, obviously we're going to do the New York stream, right? So we'll be here for the New York session. And then what we'll be doing is we'll be beginning again during the Asian session. So we'll be starting the live stream at the Asian session tomorrow. And we're going to continue the stream all throughout the London session and then all throughout the New York session. So it's going to be a fun, long stream. We're going to be doing all 3 sessions here as we close out the week. I'm going to have a couple of my friends come on here who can really instill some insight to you guys, right? I think you guys hear me talk too much. So if I get some other guys in here and they kind of give you some insight on their trading and, you know, their outlook, I think it'll be great for all of you guys to hear. And yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing. Yeah, we're gonna have some fun with it. We're gonna see if we can raise some money for. There's a foundation here in Tampa that helps out children who basically go home on Friday after school and don't really get much of a nutritional meal until Monday again. And they call the school lunch nutritional. So we're gonna try and feed some bellies here. Maybe do a some sort of a charity thing going, and yeah, we'll see. What I want to do is physically participate in whatever we're doing. So, and if any of you guys are here and you're from Tampa, man, you guys are more than welcome to come out. We're probably gonna also do a big old pizza party for the homeless and just have a good time. So, yeah. Yep. So that'll be so we'll do the regular New York stream tomorrow, and then after that we'll begin during the Asian session. Vant trading, incredible. Yeah, so maybe we'll get Vant up here tomorrow as well. Vant is someone who played a very, very pivotal role in my journey, just a professional trader that I was able to talk to, who I related to, and honestly who didn't even have to answer my messages or really pay any of my messages any mind, but he did, and I'm forever grateful for that because you know, there were some questions that I had that I was struggling with that I really couldn't go to anybody else, right? You know, one thing y'all know about me is I'm gonna check the fruit on the tree, right, before I take fruit from it. And you know, Van had that fruit on his tree in the trading space, and he was really the only guy I was able to talk to. So I'm so thankful that, you know, he was able to, you know, entertain my messages, and today we're good friends and we still talk, right? We still talk trading, and you know, I look up to him very highly when it comes to, you know, trading the markets and his understanding on that stuff. So hopefully we can get Vant up here tomorrow, and that'd be pretty dope. Drop some gems on you guys, and you guys can hear from some more professional traders. Gold broke the highs there. Yep, there it is. So once that 15 high broke, gang, the trade was invalid at that point, right? Or we were gonna wait for the 30-minute closure, but I'm glad that we did what we did, right? Because I think stops may have gotten hit before that. So yeah, I've got some other friends that are gonna come on here as well. You guys probably know their names if I said them to you, but I don't want to say any names and then they can't show. So you'll have to be here for the streams, man. Don't miss a minute of it.
We'll miss it.
Don't miss a moment. You never know who's gonna pop up. Oh yeah, I got an oil trader. Yeah. You know I'll be there. All right, let's go. Advance in. $9.30 celery on the 15. Possibly. The only way we are moving through this range here is if we have volume, right? So that's the only way we move through here. So we'll see. Fake outs would be a little bit better. Move back down at 9:30. That's what I'd be more interested in here. But look, this daily candle can close one or two ways, right? It can create support here, or it can continue moving bearish. But man, candle's still up here, so we'll see. Y'all funny. Sam Capital's gonna be here yet too.
Hey, Sam, the man in the chat. It's good, Sam.
Sam's holding it down in the chat. Oi.
Oh, Sam's in Zoom.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Sam the man. Let's get him. Let's grab him.
I'm in.
Oh, I see what happened. I see. Sam had to take his laps today in the pool, take a shower, throw a hoodie on, and now he's here. Let's
Oi.
go. Oi. Oi's in the chat.
Oi.
Oi's in the chat.
Love Sam.
Sam Capital's here.
What's going on? Yo, I'm gonna give Raj an offer. He cannot deny, bro.
Huh?
I can't say what it is. I'm gonna hit him up today and tell him pull up. Give him an offer he can't deny.
Hit up Raja, everyone. Tell him tune into the TTE stream tomorrow.
An offer you can't.
Yeah, offer he can't deny.
Definitely coming then.
Tell him we'll all fund the Dominion Markets account if you pull up on the live streams.
Tell him we'll buy him an iced out Rolex. With the diamonds and everything on it. Call it market fluidity.
Ooh.
Ooh.
That
That's
boy
fire.
fluid. Oh damn.
Needs that, bro.
Yeah. Don't steal that, Chad. Don't steal that. I'm gonna say that to him. Deadass.
Let's let me see something here. Hold on one second.
He'll be there then for sure? Yeah, absolutely, bro.
Bye.
I'm gonna
He'll be there.
Dude, I'd love to send him like a voice message, but I think it's like I will with it. He's hilarious.
All right, yeah. I invited him. Oh, look at this. Push back down here now. What's up with it, Goldie? Maybe we can get Raja to come in and bless us with some pre-London motivation.
Yeah. Tell him to pull up that and we can give us like one of those like pre-London absolute juicers.
One of those
like 100 pips off.
Facts. One of those pre-London trades that just rides smoothly all the way to the end of New York session.
Yeah.
We'll take it.
Super
Roger.
little bottom wick, never comes back to entry, just starts flying.
Give me
We need a signal, OG.
The OG.
We need our 100th dub from Raja.
Yeah. Yo, that was Sam actually sent me that clip. Dude said, "What's up with y'all? Everyone got a verified account now?" He's like, "I thought you were someone important."
Oh yeah, that was so funny, bro. I put that in the Discord last night too.
He's like, "I'm messaging you, opening it up, thinking you're someone important." Raja, when to buy, when to sell? Come on, man.
Raja, I can't make any profits on my profits.
Oh,
Come on, man.
that's too
Dude,
funny.
he's so funny, bro.
Too funny. All right. Yeah, we're gonna see what happens here. We got 9 minutes to go. We looks like we kind of created this range 2 here. We broke out of it. So if we do get the celery, which is the only way I may take a position here, like I said early this morning, if we get that celery, then possibility. But if we do close back below, then price may want to actually do that move here. So we'll see how the candle closes. Yeah, let me measure the range. You know what? Nah, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good on that. 15 pip range, not good enough for me. Yeah, volume may push it up, right? If we do close above and you break that high, there may be a push up, but man, this is scary territory there.
Situation.
That's a situation.
A delicate situation.
That's a
bro.
situation.
I wouldn't dare take buys in there.
Don't forget about the Raja clip. Oh yeah, that's right. Hold up.
Where's it at?
It's in the Discord. Let me grab it here. For those of you guys that didn't see, this was the best day of my life. Right here.
Yeah.
Got 35 pips on GU sell with the 10 lot open. Thanks to Raja Magic Keys and Market Fluidity. So thankful. Nice next word. Got 35 pips on GU sell with the 10 lot open. Thanks to Raja Magic Keys and Market
I could honestly watch that all day.
Nice next word.
Yo, that was the greatest day in 2021. Let's see here. I could watch that video all day long. Bullish back in the range. Oh, here it is. Hold on. Oh yeah, and then Raja started bullish back in the range. Started watching. Oh, but not 1958. I'm not touching anything in this zone.
Showing love to a streamer over here.
There he is. Sells here today, right?
Hey.
And if we do get a range 2 above here, I'll take buys. Chat, I sounded tired that day. What was going on? You guys should have woke me up. You just really need to be patient and wait for that closure.
Yeah, exactly.
Because there's even more clean traffic below these levels.
Clean traffic.
Oh, just gotta wait on it.
Nice.
Just got to wait on it.
Gotta wait.
I can't
Gotta
wait
wait on it. Yo, Landon, thanks for sending this, bro. Appreciate that. I forgot all about that, man. W. How can I make that my ringtone?
What?
Your win rate is useless because your RR isn't. All right, that's no problem. So, gang, so if I was trading the whole, and I want you guys to understand the perspective of this, right? If I was trading the same account all year long, at this point I would have doubled that account. So just so you guys some of you guys come here, you see us take 1 loss, 2 loss, 3 loss. Just so you guys have an understanding, if I'm using the original account from the year, it has grown 100%. And it has been,
Literally.
and every trade was documented on the live stream. Every single trade.
That's a fact.
So don't get too caught up on, 1 or 2. You've been here for like 2 hours and you see us take a loss or something. Man, these guys suck. Yeah, man, trust me. It's all documented. It's all here, right? Go back, watch the streams. You see every trade we take. All right, 4 minutes left. We are setting up for a 15-minute celery here.
And honestly, funded companies could give you the wrong idea with losses too. It makes people think losses are way worse than it actually is, to be honest.
Yeah, that's tough. Tough in this range. Now y'all talking the regular. We getting there. Even with the losses, yep. My first time watching you, this guy took a loss. Man, this guy could be real. Yeah, exactly. LeGrand. Wait, who sent that over to me? LeGrand or Landon? I think it was Landon, right? Yeah, Landon. Sammy the Assassin. Yeah, Sam's been here. John's been here since day 1. Sam's been here since like maybe month 2 or month 3, the latest, I would say. Forget. Oh, where'd he go? He disappeared into Wakanda land. There he goes.
I was saying, when you come late February, or was it early March?
I don't think Sam's headset is on. Or maybe it is. He's quaking. Oh, his mic. It's his mic.
Oh, you can't hear me, bro.
It's his
I was
mic.
like, yeah, I was wondering what was going on. I
Yeah, I
was
couldn't hear
like, yeah. Nah, it was like early March, not February.
March. So yeah, so month 2. We started it in February.
Let me find it. I could find the exact day.
Sam's cooking. It's gonna be a felon's weekend. Oh yeah. He got the bail money.
That's what we do. What's the play?
He got the bail money. As long as you got that bail money, brother. Did anybody still survive in gold? I hope so. This goes down. Somebody asked earlier, moving my stops, right? Like, so I have a problem. Someone said with moving my stops, right? So this is a situation right here, right? You move your stops, you go higher, and now you go, well, they definitely can't come up here, right? And you just continue to put more risk on your account, and that just never ends good, right? So someone asked that earlier, and then now's a pretty good example of that. Why you shouldn't use, move your stops and continue moving them up and all that good stuff. 47 seconds. There is a celery play here, but it is pretty chalked. Not gonna lie. Pound yen, let's take a look. Yeah, GJ closed in here as well in 2 minutes. Let's see how gold's gonna close. No top wick. 11 seconds. Can't move stops if you don't have them. There you go. So that's how you bypass that as well. Just don't even have them. And if you don't have them, then you can't say you moved them. Yeah, all right. We got 9:30 here, so there should be some volume dumping in at this point. No surprise if 1980 gets hit. Just not comfortable taking my buys here. $9.15, maybe something.
I think we first talked in like February. And then my first day on the stream was March 10th, because it was a Friday and it was NFP.
Oh wow.
Because I was like, I thought I was only gonna come on the days there was news. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
We brought you in for the news.
Go pull up every day. I was like, shit. Okay.
Sam thought he should only show up on NFP, FOMC.
Yeah,
nah, bro, pull up every day.
That's why I'm the most useful.
He's our reliever from the bullpen. Oh, look at this. There's the volume. Push it.
Oh.
Pushing. Yeah, this daily may want to close bullish here today.
Coming for those highs.
They were about 14 pips, I believe. 14. Yeah. Let's see if we could tap into 81 here. Yeah, the cleanest buys are clearly going to be above these levels, right? Clean traffic to the left. So I'm good. I'm good in that whole area there. Not for me. Nothing in here is for me. You know what amazes me? I take a loss and I don't feel a thing. Yes, I'm cool with it now. Yeah, yep, exactly. You're getting there. Yep. what did we do here on pound yen? So did we create a range 2? No. So in order for us to get a range 2 now we need this support, right? So you have the resistance formed, and now if you can create support, and then that's when you have your range 2 and potentially expect price to move on up to retest that resistance that was formed. But we don't have a support yet until a bullish candle closes here. So see what we do on the 15. Still moving stops. Still moving them. It's definitely not going to break past 1981. Yeah, doesn't seem to be anything stopping gold. Four hours, still no bottom wick, just juiced up there. Stops at 2020. Yeah, there you go. Stops at 2020. That way you know you're wrong. Like if it does break up here, then you just know, hey, I'm wrong here, man. Perfect. Stops up here. TP right here. And yeah, you're good to go. All right, 30-minute. What are you going to do here? 15 closure coming up in 10 minutes. Let's see what happens. Yeah, that move gave us, I guess, 12 pips. So you guys could have closed partials at 12 pips. I didn't want to. I seen a more of a better vantage point, in my opinion. It was about 30 pips. So I wanted to hold for that 30 pips there. Sells on GJ? Yeah, potentially, yep. Not yet, though. Not yet. Risk on the last gold trade, but I cut my loss. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I had 2% risk. I think I lost 1.1% on that. Let me check the signals. Let me see. Yeah, it was like 1.1%. Don't be greedy. Oh no, I wasn't. I don't think I was being greedy there. I just think I planned that trade, right? So I planned the trade. The trade was taken here, right on the break of the lows there. Stops were kept pretty much above here. TP was pretty decent, right? Like we had a nice clean move ahead of us. So TP was going to be down here, and then partials were going to be right here. So once we came, you see where all these kind of wicks start rejecting in? Right there for partials. But price only came there, you know, so I guess we just tapped that one support and that was it. But yeah. Yeah, it was pretty logical, right? I mean, If the move was really going to happen with volume coming in, then this support at 1969 should have been tapped. Therefore, I would have closed my partials a little bit before, yeah, around 30, 34 pips, yep. And for gold at 830, 100% doable. Peaked 15 pips but didn't take profit. That's fine. As long as you followed the plan, you're good to go. Yeah, if my plan was to close partials there, then I would have, but that wasn't really the plan. NZD, USD, good luck, Ghost. Good luck, good luck. 15. Nice rejection here to 80. What we doing, Sam? What we doing? Let's see, GJ, are we moving down yet? Nope, nothing yet. Yeah, we'll see if this is going to be a rejection here, if we can close bearish.
Bro, I keep muting my mic. I'm sitting here like, be waiting. Yeah, that's what we're doing. And I was like, never mind, bro. I just set it up. I keep muting the mic.
Yeah, that's why those flip up mics, I always used to forget. Be
Yeah,
talking, be
why I
like,
keep.
why is no one listening to me? Oh, crap.
See,
I'm muted.
like this one, like I could hear myself in it a little bit. This one I can't, so like I would know with this one. I wish that this thing would still just work, bro. I'm
Work.
still holding on to it.
Work.
It's just gonna collect dust, so I decided to throw it out.
Back up. So we got news here, I think, in, do we have news in like few minutes? No. Okay, for some reason I thought we had news at 9:45. Doesn't look like it though. Yeah, so let's see how we close here. May give this a second shot. But if not, then probably gonna be nothing. NASDAQ breakout. Oh, sorry, gang. I meant to check out the NAS 100 here. Oh, it looks like we were just trickling around in the same range. Yeah, so if you do get a closure outside of here, that's going to be a good move. Did the 15 do it? No. 15 didn't do it. So, yeah, just wait on this. Very, very clean range. Looks like we're coming down here. So we broke the daily lows already. Coming back down into that support level. We'll see what happens with this clean traffic to the left. But 1 hour looks pretty good. Looks pretty good to continue on down. So we'll see. New home sales. Looks like we do have news on the CAD though, right? 10 a.m. Yeah, 10 a.m. news on the CAD here. BOC rate statements. Pretty sure all the stocks, most stocks had to report earnings too today, right? Or was that yesterday? Forget. All right, what we gonna do? What we gonna do? Jerome the homie is speaking. Yup. The homie's speaking today. But that's towards market close, so Yeah, man, gold just moving up here.
I ain't trading at 4:35 p.m.
Hell no.
We'll see you guys
I'll
at
be in my trade.
4:45 p.m. today.
Yeah, next thing you know, I'll be in the trade for like 3 hours because the market will close at 5 for gold, then it'll open up again at 6, and I'll get gapped 60 pips to my stop.
It's a
Yeah,
trap.
right.
And all that just for the market to open and destroy you.
Gonna
Been there.
anticipate this move all day. Yeah, I think Shiro's on a little vacay, gang, so you guys aren't going to see Shiro for a few days. He's with us in spirit.
We miss you, Cheryl.
Hero.
He had to leave Wakanda for a few days to enter into the real world. Because he's got some things to do. Yeah, it's legit university. Nick, my teacher, he got 2 other educators slinging with him. Yeah. Slang. Shiro has gone out and searched for a new wife, yes.
He'll be back. When he returns, he'll have a wife.
He'll be married when he returns.
So for the CAD rates, they're looking to just hold them as is. So let's see if they do that. But if they were to hike them, you would see some strength move into the CAD. But I don't think they will.
Uh-oh, that white screen's up. You know that dude's pulling out.
That's the Forex factory. Bing, 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 bing. This is my trading view screen. Forex factory. Terminal.
His secret news
Terminal's
outlet.
the brightest.
Need.
Need 2% to pass phase 1. Let's go. Right on it. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. Just let it come naturally.
Yeah, where is YOLO Trader? Dude was blowing me up last time.
Oh, YOLO. Yeah, YOLO hit me up. YOLO's he's out for a few days too. He's traveling.
Hey.
Yeah, he hit me up recently. He said, "Yo, I'm gonna be away for a few days." He's living that YOLO. What up, options?
Options.
We got options. 15-minute candle closed bullish here on pound yen. Interesting. Let's see how gold closed on the 15. 15 closed bullish. Sheesh. Both pairs moving on up. Gold closed bullish too, right at resistance here. Right at it. Let's take a look at pound yen here. Yeah, it's only pound yen is weak, man. 10 pips.
Whack.
$10 pips. And gold is just not behaving here for us today. Not behaving. NASDAQ. Oh, let's take a look. Later. 15-minute opened up and probably just gonna rip. Just gonna rip. Let's see. 1980, man. 1980. Let's see. So I still have the 1 million funded account goal. Yes. So I do still have the 1 million funded account goal for sure. Just I also want to see how these companies are going to play out. I would love to take a personal account to 1 million. How sick would that be?
That'd be lit.
Yeah, but as long as these funding companies stay in line, then yeah, definitely want to work with that capital. Oh, look at this potential pack runner here. It's just not. I don't know. Oh wow, yeah, just running here. Nothing here on gold. Nothing but buys here today. So it looks like we're breaking the daily high there. And yeah, if we can clean this range, you can come up and fill that wick. So we'll see, man. We'll see where we're at. Clearly the best buying range is going to be pretty much above here. So we're approaching. Yeah, 1 hour candle is going to close here in a few minutes. So we'll see what we got here on the 1 hour closure. And then if there's anything for us, we'll grab it. If not, probably call it a day. Oh yeah, Groomsmith. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's true, Frederick. We'll still have the Quakers. $82 getting tapped. Yep, nice. Yeah, this is it. You get above here, and this is where we wanted our buys on. I think it was Monday, right? Yeah. Yeah, we were expected on Monday to clean that range too, but never did it. Gold cleaning house, pushing through. So gold's pushing through, doing all the heavy lifting here. And if you get a close above, man, this thing may move here. Yeah, breaking the choppiness for us. Yep. Family business, bro. It's family business right here. Caught the buy, nice job. Yeah, I didn't like the buys at all. But you could always count on volume, right, to do the trick. Watch it close. Pumping. Broke the trend line. Oh, nice. Nice. Yeah, hey, if it was your plan to take the buys, perfect. Yeah, no one's right, no one's wrong, right? Everyone just does what they like. It's like some people like pasta and meatballs, some people don't. Neither one is right or wrong. Oh, damn. Son. Flying here. Holy
Fine.
Joseph.
That's the move.
Oh, Sam went. Imagine we just seen Sam swimming in that pool over there. Like, yo, I thought it was
That's what I was saying
virtual.
to John yesterday, bro. Yeah, imagine it's
No,
like
bro.
some AI. We can you
Yo,
just
people
like
would
make
tweak.
us so I backflip into the pool.
Yeah, that'd be insane.
All right. 1 hour rocket ship here. GJ moving back down. One hour closure coming up in 6 minutes here. If those resistances were not in, yeah. If there was, I mean, there was just so many. One or two, all right. You know, I would say, all right, we could probably blast through here. But I mean, this just goes to show you too, like, when volume comes in, man, some of these resistances, they don't stand a chance. So we seen the same thing happen yesterday with pound yen, but yeah, it was just too choppy on a bearish close day to really, right? It's one thing looking at the candle now, right? But before that happens, can you really trust this? I don't know, you know. Didn't look the best for me.
Yeah. Same.
GJ sleeping? Sleeper. Man, gold, big juice box here though, man. 4 hour really pumping up. Yeah, let's wait 5 minutes, see what we got going on, and see what we could do with this. Who's a sleeper? Joe Bido? Yeah, that dude's still sleeping.
Oh, bye, though.
Joe
Dude.
Bido.
Daily cam looking good, though.
Yeah, daily highs broke here. We may fill this wick here, man.
Yeah, I think the weekly's flipping now.
Weekly's flipping. Why did I not take the breakout on the 15th? What breakout? This one? This closed right at resistance here. Right? High level resistance. Candle closed right at it. Yeah, plus I already told myself early on in the stream or in the session that I'm not touching buys unless we get above 83 here. So let's see how we close here on the 1 hour. should have had 40 likes. All right, give me 1 sec. We got 2 minutes left.
WWGD, what will gold do?
Good question. Peace out, Grimsmith.
Yeah, peace out, Grimsmith. Never felt so relaxed on a rocket ship after a quick. Yeah. See, and that's like the beauty of the playbook. We just followed our plan. Imagine if like we were someone that didn't have a plan. We just kept hitting sell every time the market tapped in one of them resistances on the left.
Facts.
You getting collapsed?
Facts. That's good. That's good that you're feeling like that, bro.
Yeah. That's why it's amazing to have a plan.
Yes.
What's up, Daisy?
Daisy, hello.
News now? Yeah, let's see what the cat. Let's see if this has an impact on gold here today. Joe Biden sleeping at the wheel.
All right. Now we have entered the green range. Let us see. Yeah, we'll see what the CAD comes out with, and pretty decent range up ahead though. All right, perfect. So let's see if we get a bottom wick. If we do, we're gonna have buy stops here on the break of the highs on gold. Pretty tough here in terms of stops. Yeah, we're gonna have to use current candle stops here. So let's see where we get this current candle stop, and may have buy stops here. All right, chat. I'm gonna have buy stops here on gold on the break of these highs. Stops are gonna be kept below the oh shit, what's going on with my magic keys? Oh, there we go. Yeah, lovely. So I'm gonna use current candle stops here. The news should bring us down and then light us up here, I think. So if we do break these highs, we may see a push up, and I'm willing to pull the trigger. Buy stops. Yeah, if we need to wait, then we will. But as of right now, buy stops are pretty clean. Bottom wick has been formed. If it continues to drive down, then we may need support on like a lower time frame. So we'll see what happens. But this is the open of the news release here on the CAD, and then we'll see where we want to go. This is a breakout, 1 hour breakout, finally in that clean range. If you guys go back to the stream from earlier, then you guys will know why we want to take these buys here today. Right, some of you guys remember this. So where are we? Now we are up here, right? So this is where we wanted to take our buys in this range here. We've officially closed it up in this range, bullish, right? So now maybe our shot to let it go. We'll see.
You gonna hold till 96?
Let me take a look at the price action. I'm gonna hold till 92. Yeah, 92, which is the 1 hour resistance, I believe. Yeah. Yeah, so partials will be taken at 92. Let's see where stops are headed at this point. 36 pips. Yeah, we'll see. We may need to wait for a support. If we're gonna keep driving, then we may need to wait for a support here. GJ moving up. Looking for buys? Yeah, we're looking for buys to clean house here. Right, 1 hour has a resistance there at 92. So I'm going to be looking to target 92 there, and then 97 is going to be the overall 30-minute resistance. Clean range moving up. So that's what this trade is based on. And let's see, did we break the lows? Yeah, so we broke the low a little bit. I'm just going to redo this. I'm going to delete it and redo it. So I'm not deleting the buy stop itself. I just want to move my stops here. Yeah, so let's see. Worst case, if we keep pushing down here, then we'll wait for the 15-minute candle to close, right? And if we get a 15 closure above the range, then you have a 15-minute celery play that is in good shape to continue moving up. Yeah, I think that's what we will do. So I'm going to delete the buy stop, and I'm going to wait for the 15. So that way we get better stops as well, because stops are running here now, right? We're looking at 40 pips here. So I'm going to delete it, and then we're going to add it back if the 15 closes above the range here. Yeah, that's going to be better. Now that we're driving down, right, it's one thing if we tapped into 83 and then broke the highs, but now that we're moving down, you may want to create some sort of supports here on the 5 or something of that nature, right? So just for more confirmation that we're actually going to move up here. So delete it. How did the news come out on the CAD? Nothing, right?
Nothing.
All right. Look at the NASDAQ. Let's look. Oh,
US 30 bleeding too.
US oil. What did I do with US 30? There it is. Oh, blader. US 30 bleeder here.
That's the move.
There's your move. Yeah. Wow. All right. Yeah, that's that drove down. That drove down. Oh, damn.
Gold blade.
Holy damn. Gold tricky here today. Tricky all the way back down. Damn. Wow. Those buys were short-lived here. Andreas. Oh, damn. Look at this drop. Drop it like it's hot. Wow.
It wants a bottom wick bad. That's why we wait for bottom wicks, chat.
30 minutes.
See what price will do when it wants the bottom wick.
Yeah. Holy. Sheesh. All right, yeah, if we don't get anything at 10:30, that'll probably be it, because I gotta head out today. I got some things going down, heading to Clearwater, so
Oh,
we'll see.
top secret.
Top secret location. So we'll see.
I gotta head out here too. I gotta go get in a shower and I gotta go do some things.
Do it up. Do it up.
I'm gonna go do it up. It's a beautiful
Alright,
day,
bro.
beautiful day.
Beautiful day. Yeah, it's be like 87 over here. How about over there?
Let me look real quick.
I actually feel like a
58.
58. Damn,
It'll
son.
be 70 by noon.
Ybor City.
It'll be bad.
It'll be
Alright,
70.
chat, I'm out of here.
Nice.
Peace, Sam.
All right, Sam.
Everyone
Enjoy the day, bro. Thanks for
I already
pulling up.
closed YouTube, but
See y'all
I'm
later.
waiting to everyone is saying bye.
Yeah. Peace, brother. Oi! Oh, he's on the way out. He's gone. Yabba dabba doo. Yeah, Ybor City. I don't live too far from Ybor City. Ybor City, man. It's crazy down there. Crazy. Yeah, I think stops are too big too.
Low just got broken.
Yeah, 30-minute
Yep.
lows have been smoked. 1 hour lows still hanging tight. Again, no. So look, this is the 4 hour, right? No bottom wick on that 4 hour. So we might just range here. Right back into the range we go. Oh, is 4% drawdown decent on funded account? Yeah, I mean, you may go into drawdown. Yeah, it's not a big deal. Yeah, you could always come back out. You go in, you go out. You go in, you go out.
Trader lifestyle. Yeah, that'll probably do it for me too, though, here today. So, Nick, I'll talk to you later.
Alrighty. Have fun.
And-
Enjoy the day.
Thanks, brother. You too. Talk to you later. And
Have a
chat,
lovely
hope you
one.
enjoy your day. What happened?
I said have a lovely one.
Thank you, bro. You as well.
Yeah.
Catch you guys.
All right, bro. Later.
Have a blessed day, y'all. Peace.
Blessings, bro. Later.
Blessings.
Blessings. Any guidance on covering deep drawdown? Yeah, just stay cool, calm, collective, man. Just show up every day, look for the next best trades. There's really no more advice than that, right? There's nothing you can do. No worry will solve it. No overthinking will solve it. No rushing, forcing trades will solve it. It's just showing up every day, staying cool, staying calm, and, you know, taking the best trades that you can see. When do you think, as a new trader, you should start trading your own money? I think right away. Yeah, I think right away. Throw like $100 in an account and start running with it. You have 6 wins, 3 losses, but drawdown. Why? Oh, we took 2 massive losses, right? 2 massive losses. All in one day, too. Yeah, look, we took a I think this was the day, right? Was it? Yeah, I think, yeah, $9,700 loss, and I think it was an $8,400 loss. Or 3,200. Yeah, I think it was these two. So that was like a $12,000 loss there. Yeah, 13,000, right? On that one day. So that's the day that I've been trying to recover from here. Right, so battling back, you know, taking what the market's giving me, and market hasn't really gave us too much on the last couple trades. So yeah, that's why, you know, today just hold positions until logically it's ready to close. Yeah. Oh yeah, let me change this to hold on. '30th loss of the year. Not too bad, man. Oh. I remember I used to lose 30 trades in a week sometimes. Gosh and golly, look at this thing. Holy moly macaroni. This thing's a bleeder. Juicer than a bleeder. Yeah, Christian, you're right. I lost 150 trade. No, stop. You lying. You lying. Wow. Yeah, would have moved down. Move back down here. 1 15-minute candle. Yeah, close back in the range. Ah, this is... Yeah. Yeah, that's crazy. Do I want to wait for the 30? I don't think I do. I don't think I want to wait. I don't think I want to wait. I don't think we're going to get a move here. So probably going to call it a day and come back tomorrow, right? Tomorrow's what, Thursday? So we got 2 days left in the week. I think that's it, man. I think that is it. Not trying to force any trades. Not trying to really trade in this consolidation. Gold's going up, then it's going down. So yeah, I'm going to leave this thing alone here. See how the daily closes today. If we do close with this support, then that wick fill will be on the horizon here for tomorrow. So we'll see if we close right bullish. If we do, we've got a nice support formed. We also can get a bottom wick, fill this wick, and then come on up to like 2,000 there. So that'll be the day. That'll be the day. There was one logical sell here today, and we took it. That was it. That was all we could do, is take what we what we have data on. That was the sell. We came down, went I think 12 or 13 pips in profit. But yeah, that's it. Nothing much to say or do here today. Sound good, y'all? Time to jam. All right, y'all. I'm out of here. Hope you guys have a great one. Be blessed today, and enjoy the rest of your day. Don't try and force anything here on the charts. Just think logically now, and I'll be back tomorrow. So love you guys. Hope you guys have a good one. I'm out of here. Peace.